Fear limits you and your true potential. I grow in chaos. The lessons I've learned in the water help me grow outside of it. We constantly push our abilities. To feel and harness that power is a feeling like nothing else. Getting the most out of my equipment is key. Shaping and designing the ultimate board is a passion. Crafting each one is a process that blends design, performance, and practicality. As big wave surfers, we put ourselves in some of the most dangerous situations on the planet. I've had some close calls and accidents. The bigger the waves, the more you risk. The process, the preparation, the day, and the moment, when everything comes together, makes it all worthwhile. I don't think there's any greater feeling than surfing. It's freedom, adventure, and creativity all rolled into one. My name is Grant Baker. Wherever the ocean rises, I will ride it.